Akaze ukhiphe incwadi egunyaza ukuba uThabo Bester avakashele kwamanye amazwe njengoba engaziwa emabhukwini walomnyango.
As we have said, because Thabo never took an ID, never got married, never took a passport in Home Affairs, he simply did not exist in our systems. So he doesn't have a passport at all. There's a story that he has got multiple passports. Thabo doesn't have any passport with Home Affairs.
Uthi uma bephenya bathola ukuthi babili Bester kodwa kwangebona lona bamfunayo.
Bester is a man of 40 years, and we traced him to Ratanda in Heidelberg. We actually visited him and found that he has already presented himself to the police when he heard that there is a Thabo Bester who is wanted. So he presented himself, he said, "Here I am." The police confirmed that he's not the person they are looking for. He's not the person who escaped from Bloemfontein Correctional Service Facility.
Uthi bavakashela umama kaThabo Bester emva kokumbona kumabonakude ngoba ethi ungumama wakhe.
This is Home Affairs. Indeed, she insisted that she's the mother of Thabo Bester. She even gave us his date of birth and told us that she gave birth to this gentleman at Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital on the 13th of June, 1986.
Uthi kwabalulake ukuthola uDokotela Nandipha Makudumana njengoba unaso isitifiketi sokuzalwa kanye nomazisi. Waphinde waba nencwadi emgunyaza ukuvakashela kwamanye amazwe ayithola ngo-2007.
She took her first passport in 2007 at the age of 19. This passport expired in 2017 and she was issued with another one the same year, which is due to expire in 2027. So the passport we gave in 2017 is still valid and is a legal passport.
Mozambique waboshwa noThabo benomakudumana usaseTanzania.